What we're working on is, it's called Writer's Workshop, and it's when we work on the children being able to grow as writers in first grade. And really our goal, what we want kids to be able to do, is feel like they have a story that they're able to tell and share. And so during Writer's Workshop, we work on the skills that they need to be able to do that independently. And we want them to feel like really that they are writers and they have a message, something that's worth sharing with others. I love being part of a learning community, and that's something special that we have at ISP. Is we're a community of learners, and in this classroom with 6- and 7-year-olds, you really get to be, every day is different and every day is something new, and I learn right along with the kids inside the classroom. So it's really special to be part of that. They bring things to the classroom to share. I'm able to work with them and know things that they need to work on to develop as learners, and we're able to do that together. So that's really what makes it special each day in the morning when we get up.